I'm sorry I seem like a shady dude. When times are hard for your family, paying your lady dues. You come so far, having a happy family is daily news. Man, I miss you playing with me, chasing me around in your baby shoes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but it's me, Bossy. And yeah, I haven't done a hair video and it's been like a super duper long time. Taking care of an infant, my other children, so it's been a lot. So I haven't been on here a lot. Y'all see I kind of packed on a little bit of weight, but hey, it's okay. We're gonna get it back together eventually. 2020, 21 hopefully should be everybody's year, and all this stuff is going away. But today I am coming to do a hair review on a company that you guys have seen me work with before in the past, and this company is no other than CurlsCurls. CurlsCurls reached out to me to work with them again, and I was super excited because the quality of their units are amazing. I've had 2 of their wigs, and when I tell you people think that it is really my hair that has grown out of my scalp, people really think that it is my hair that grows out of my scalp, but that's not the case. So I'm just gonna here on the screen show you guys what's all included in this lovely, amazing box where you can store your unit, whether it's clip-ins, whether it's a wig, whatever, and it just has all their great information. So I'm gonna put everything here while I talk to you guys and let you know a little bit about this wig. This is a wig that you can wear and go. It's so convenient. You just pop it on. It has the headband on it already. You can even add an extra headband on top if you want to, jazz it up. There's no need for glue or anything like that. You don't have to worry about trying to customize it or anything. You don't have to deal with edges if you don't want to. You don't have to do any of that. But I'm gonna leave a little bit of my baby hair out that I do have for y'all to see. CurlsCurls is a hair factory that sells like 100% good quality human hair at affordable, amazing prices. And I just want to let you know they are professionals with making wigs. I mean, it be curls from the root to the ends, like just the exact same uniform. So I'm gonna stop talking so much and let y'all see this unit that I have, because it is amazing, and everything that you get in it, like y'all saw on the side here on the screen, that's everything you get with it. So I'm gonna just move this stuff to the side because you've clearly seen it, but this is all amazing, y'all. I'm trying to see what headband I'm gonna use, if any. So here is the unit. Wow, and this is the Kinky Curly. So this is like a 3C, 4A hair type. Oh, can y'all see it? And here's the headband. Just a headband wig, y'all. Ooh, ooh. Now this is the 18-inch and it's 150 density, and I got the medium cap because my head is kind of big and I have a hat on. We're gonna just go ahead and apply this and see how easy it is. And I think I need to try to do my baby hairs first. So I'm gonna use my first touchdown edge control, maximum 48-hour hold. Got this from the beauty supply store. We're gonna see how this goes. I'm not good at edges, so, or baby hairs, or whatever you want to call them, but I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna brush down what little bit I have. Yeah, I had lost some of my hair having this baby, so I'm just brushing down what I got. Oh, y'all, look at that. Y'all can't tell me this ain't cute already. Like, and I ain't even fluffed it out. I ain't even added a headband. But I think I'm gonna fluff it out. Or you know what? I'm gonna add my headband first. Okay. So now I'm about to fluff this out. All right. Y'all, I'm feeling myself. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. All right, y'all, I must say, CurlsCurls, they be coming in the clutch, and all you gotta do is pop this baby on and go, especially once you have it. Like, if I had already had this fuzzed out, I could have just popped it on. Okay, y'all, this is how I like it. I'm feeling this. All right, so that's the end of this. You see how quick that was? I mean, it took some time because I was trying to fluff it out, but do y'all see? No glue, no tape, none of that extra stuff. CurlsCurls, I'm feeling myself. Let me show y'all the back. We'll have the link down below to the website, and also I do have a coupon code for you guys if you will use it for $5 off. It's not much, but it's something off using the code JustBuys. So check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.